This is a debouncing circuit. I have used a simple 555 timer IC, and these two switches are being used as set and reset. You can see I push the push button set, and then other one is for reset. And this 555 timer IC will give you very fine debouncing output for this switch. You know, when we push this button, because of the fluctuation inside is just up and down, and then that will cause a problem sometimes for its very fine output. So we make debouncing circuit, and that will give you very fine output. I have connected two resistor, 10k resistor for making a push button switch, and this one I have connected to pin number 4 here because this is the reset. I will show you the schematic of this circuit just few seconds later. Now I'm hooking up the oscilloscopes into in both sides of the LEDs. This is the negative and the positive. So I'm pushing now set and reset. You can see here very straight line and no fluctuation here. So from when the output is like high, is coming down to 0 straight away. So this is the beauty of this circuit. So this is the circuit diagram inside the 555 timer IC. Inside this circuit diagram you can see there is a SR latch, set and reset, and one asynchronous reset button is connected to pin 4, and pin 3 is the output here. And inside this diagram you can see two comparators. One is non-inverting and another is inverting. So this is the VCC point and 3 resistor in here. All resistor are same value, 5k 5k 5k. So here is the point. Here is the point. You can get like 2/3 of the VCC, and here is the point. Just you can get the 1/3 of the VCC. So this comparator will compare the voltage in this point respecting to this pin 6. When the voltage is like higher than pin 6, that when the voltage in pin 6 higher than this point, like more than 2/3 of the VCC, this comparator will give output, and this will set the SR latch. Similarly, this is the point and this comparator is inverting comparator. Any voltage in this pin below than this point, like below than 1/3 of VCC, this comparator will make output 1 and that will reset this SR latch. So that's how this I just connect only this push button to pin 4. This is the asynchronous reset button. Sorry, this push button I have connected to pin 4. This is the asynchronous reset button, and this push button is just pin 2. So I'm making any voltage in this pin 2 below than 1/3 of VCC. That time it will make a output 1 in the reset here. When this is reset, and as this is output from this Q bar, this pin will turn on. So like this. Now I'm making 0 every time pushing this button, and then this comparator is getting a input voltage below than this point, and this is getting a output like 1, and this every time is resetting, and then we can get the output 1. When we push this button, and this is connected to pin 4, and you can see I have connected this one plus 5 volt to pin 4 here, and when I push this button, this will give a active low output and the SR latch will be reset. So set, reset, set, reset. That's how this is working. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.